In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress your video using your smartphone. So you would need this app called Proton Video Compressor. So you click on it, the video you want to compress. Let's select this. Now the video is this. Now by the time you select the video, you can rename it so that you know the difference between the compressed one and the initial one. So you can rename it compressed version. So you click on done. So after that, you see the original resolution 1280 by 720. You have another one 1137 by 640. So you can still leave the original resolution. Then after that, you leave every other setting. So you scroll down and tap on compress. So you wait for it to compress. So while compressing, make sure you stay in the app and you don't leave the app. Wow, so the video is 100% compressed now. Now you can see the initial video was 3 MB. Now you are having 1 MB. So if you want to compare it, you can tap on compare. So when you tap on compare, you can see the original video above and the compressed version below. So when you play it to see the video, see the quality, you have good quality despite the fact that it's compressed. You can see the original one, you can see the other one here. You can see that you have good quality. So that's how to compress your video. Thanks for watching. So remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.